get decision for the cricket purpose only. But I don't know sir, if there's a possible, visible or not that the site or area, but it's depend on to you sir. Mm. See, I request, but I think, but I hope you're coming this afternoon to my village. I hope you are not coming alone. You came along with your blessing, but I think your blessing is meant to be for the my village, blessing for the central cricket association, and the blessing for the future of our youth.
The Dorbar. First and foremost, I thank Almighty God for this wonderful day and this opportunity to meet all our leaders from the Dorbar, our headmen, and all of you. And I am at a loss for words because it is very rare in today's world that anybody or a community they donate land for the purpose of sports. It's very rare. And that's why today I feel so happy and I'm so thankful to the village of Nongthymmai for this very, very big and important step that they have taken in donating land free of cost, and that to 2 to 3 hectares of land, which is not a joke. It is a very big parcel of land which I feel has the potential to be developed into not just a cricket ground, but much more than that, with many, many more facilities that can go along with that cricket ground. And I am so thankful to Bob Marshall and to all the members of the Dorbar for this really kind gesture of theirs. And I know that they are doing this with the vision that the youth of not just this village, but the entire district can come and play on this ground, can get an opportunity to improve upon their skills, to get exposure by participating in various tournaments. And this is such a wonderful vision. And I am that way would like to congratulate the villagers of this locality, Nongthymmai village, for having such broad-minded leaders with that kind of vision to look forward that it is the need of the hour for the youth to have these kind of opportunities and facilities available to them. So that kind of vision is something that we are so happy and we feel very proud also at the same time that the kind of leadership is there that is willing to look at how little bit of sacrifice is going to go a long way in helping and developing the talent that our youngsters and our youth have. So thank you so much, Marshall, and thank you to all the members of the Dorbar for this really kind gesture of yours. I don't have anything else to offer you except my prayers. May God bless all of you with good health, with more wisdom, and with lots and lots of happiness and success in the near future for not just you, but your families and your children, the children of this village especially. So thank you so much for Marshall. God bless you. And I would like to also, at the same time, give an assurance from my side, from Marshall, that I, as the president of Meghalaya Cricket Association, we are always looking for cricket associations that have their own ground or infrastructure available with them so that we can develop that as MCA. So this is a great start, and if the Central Rivoy Cricket Association have that kind of a land available to them, this is what we need as MCA to develop cricket, and I assure not just the Central River Cricket Association but also the Dorwar that we will give our 100% and our help to the association and to your for whatever way that we can develop this ground. Not just that, me on a personal level also, I will also be taking this up with our Honorable Chief Minister, my brother, so that the government can also, on their part, or from their part, also help in whatever way possible from the sports and youth affairs department. So thank you so much. God bless you. God bless all your families. And thank you to Central Riboy and the leadership at the Badon, Baroki, all the members of Central Riboy Cricket Association for this great initiative they're taking. Not just organizing a league tournament, but today, in such a short time, also taking the trouble and the initiative to look for cricket grounds and succeeding in it, most importantly. So thank you for your leadership and thank you once again. Kublai Shivan. Thank you.